Hey folks, Omkar here from Supervity AI, and today I want to talk to you something that determines how long and how smart your AI conversations can be. And this topic is about context window. In simple terms, it's the model's working memory, how much information it can keep in mind at once. Let me explain. Imagine you're chatting with an AI, you ask a question, it replies, you follow up, it responds again, and so on. Blah 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 blah. Now, let's say we put this in a conversation inside a box. That's your context window. Everything inside the box is what the model remembers. Everything outside is forgotten. In a short chat, no problem, all your blasts fit well inside. But if the conversation goes long with lots of inputs, documents, and replies, the box fills up. At some point, the early parts start falling off the back. The model can't see them anymore. So now it's guessing, and guessing leads to hallucinations. Which brings us back to the critical question, how big is the box? Well, it's not measured in international blah units, tempting though that may be, the real measures are tokens. So let's understand what's a token. A token is the smallest chunk of text an AI model processes. It could be a letter, a word, or even a short phrase, depending on how it's broken up. The word car might be a token. The word a moral, that's two, A and moral. Different tokenizers chop text differently, but a good rule of thumb is 100 words approximately are 150 tokens. Now the modern large language model have grown dramatically in how many tokens they can handle. Early models only had a limit of about 2000 tokens. But today, large language models can handle millions of tokens, and some of them are poised to also go to billions. Well, it sounds like an overkill, right? But well, not really. Let's see what fills up that space. A context window isn't just you and the AI exchanging messages. It also includes the system prompt, which are the invisible rules that guide the AI's behavior. Any document or code snippets you've attached. Information which is pulled in from external sources such as search engines or internal databases. And of course, your actual message, what you're sending to the AI and its response. All of this gets packed into the same memory box, and that's your context window. Bigger is better, right? Well, sort of. The bigger context window can be more powerful, more info, fewer hallucinations, and longer conversation. But there's a catch. Actually, there are three challenges over there. Number one is compute cost can go up fast. The more tokens you add, the more model has to calculate how they relate to each other. Double the tokens, 4 times the processing power. That adds up. Performance can also drop. Models tend to focus best on what's beginning or end of a prompt. Stuff in the middle, it's often ignored or misinterpreted. It's like when someone tells you a long story and your mind just drifts away and you just want to know how it ends or how it started. Third is safety might get trickier, which means that the longer the context, the more room for someone to hide malicious prompts deep inside. This makes it harder for built-in safety systems to spot harmful or jailbreak content. So here's what you need to think about this. Context windows are balancing acts. You want enough space for meaningful conversation, documents, and context, but not so much that the system gets overloaded or distracted. It's not just about stuffing in more info, it's about putting in the right info in the right way. If you're building LLMs or even just using them more effectively, understanding how this memory box works is the key to getting smart, safe, and reliable results. You don't require anything else. So, I hope this helped you understand what is context window, and I will see you in my next segment.